Good morning, everybody. This is Ask Anastasia, and I'm taking you with on my small vacation to California. We're taking morning walk, and right now we are at Dana Point. This is in Orange County. I believe it's Ritz-Carlton Hotel right there, and people are swimming. It's about 65 degrees right now, and some people are swimming on the beach. It's really peaceful, and we take about 2 miles walk. It's next to the beach. A lot of people just exercising. And if we are talking about real estate, I looked it up yesterday. It's about $3 to $5 million. These houses. I don't know if it's gonna be a good investment for rental. Just enjoying my trip. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like and share. Thank you.